Okay guys, I've got a project I'm doing, and it's going to involve this Alpine Camp Chef cylinder stove. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to open this up, take a look at it, do its first burn, and then in another video I'll show you what we're going to do with it and what we're going to put it in. So we'll bring you in closer and I'll show you what's inside the box. Alright, so let's get this thing opened up. I haven't opened it yet. I've had it a week or so, but I haven't had the chance to do anything with it. Been too busy. So this thing is pretty heavy. Weighs about, I think, 70 pounds altogether. So that's pretty heavy duty. Let's see. This way. Let's see here what it says. This is made with 10 and 12 gauge steel. It's got two shelves on the side of it and the chimney. Everything fits inside the stove, the legs, everything. So yeah, let's open this thing up and see what we got. Things kind of stuck in there. There we go. Alright. So, looks like got our instructions. Won't be needing that, I don't think. If you read the instructions, this must be one of the side shelves. And the other shelf that must be the grate on the inside. Read the instructions, it'll probably tell you. These look like the side shelves. Right there. We got our pipes. Looks like they all fit inside of each other there. Looks like it could be a mess. Put that right in the box. Get rid of it. What else we got? Oh, this thing here. This is supposed to be the spark arrestor. So I think it just, just opens up like so. Fits over the top of the pipe. All right. And our legs. And it looks like a damper. Yeah, there's the damper. All right. So we're going to get these legs put on. Looks like they go on pretty simple. Just have a little screw, set screw there. Make it mobile. I looked at a lot of other stoves, but most of them were a lot more money than this. And, you can get the titanium ones, the lighter ones, all that, but I don't see myself really packing around with it a whole lot. So I went with this one because it's heavy duty. I think it'll last a long time. And it was what I could afford. So that's what we got. Just slide right in here. Some little holes here. They slide in just like so. Put our bottom blade in here. Let's see here. Looks like this must be the first one because it's got the hole for the damper. It just comes out like that. Goes in, yeah, it works, simple. All right, so let's go this way. I'm not going to put all these on because we're just going to light it to get the oil through it. That's probably good for now. There's 2 more lengths in there, but I don't think we need 2 more lengths right now. So I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. Get some wood and we'll get it lit up. Alright, we're gonna get this thing burning here. We've got some fat wood shavings I made with a pencil sharpener. And I got my lighter. Make sure that damper's open. It's not. There we go. All right, yeah, so I got my fat wood shavings in there. Got a little bit of fat wood. Let's see, I'll show you. She's going good. Let that burn for a minute and then we'll get some of these bigger pieces in there and just let it burn for 20-30 minutes and get all the oil and crap off of it. So check back with you here in a bit. We got it loaded up with wood. I think that should be enough to burn everything off. I'm just going to close this thing up. Open the vents. Pretty black smoke coming out of there right now. That's from all that fat wood I put in there, but it should clear up here in a bit. It gets burning good. Alright guys, so our stove's done burning. We're going to get the ashes out of it and then we're going to see about installing it in here. But anyway, we'll do a separate video on the install. This is a video on the stove. So far it seems to be good quality. We're going to put it in the tent and we'll put it to the test. Thanks for watching.